Okay, guys, this is slide 3 of the project. Notice at the top that it says this assessment will count as a test grade. It is to be completed individually. Be sure that you follow the suggested timeline that I gave you on the Google Classroom assignment instructions, okay? It's very important that you guys follow a timeline and keep your time management good with this project. You don't want to keep it all until Wednesday, but I don't think you need to do it all on Monday either, okay? So definitely break up this assignment and just go in stages, okay? All right, common assessment directions. Be sure you follow these step by step. Students first read the passage titled Young Arthur. You will find the link for this passage right here. As you read, annotate and take notes. You can take notes on a separate sheet of paper. Audio recordings and video recordings are available on the Google document. After you have read the passage, move on to step 2. Okay, so I literally have the link right in front of you in yellow. It's highlighted in yellow. So if you click on this, you'll see that a document will pop up. You can click on it. This is a view-only document for you guys. It's not something you need to edit. It's just something that you need to read, okay? So you can choose to read on your own and take notes. Notice that I do have some comments there, okay? So you can read and take notes on a separate sheet of paper, okay? Or up at the top, notice that I have links. It says click here to listen to an audio version of the text. So if you click on that, this will pop up. Okay, and that is just an audio recording. However, if you click on this link right here, this will pop up. And this is my read aloud, which will have my comments along with it, okay? So you have two choices for audio or listen to. You can listen to the audio version, or you can listen to the video and watch the video. But the text is right here. You don't need to click anything else, okay? So make sure you read that text first, because you will not be able to complete this assignment unless you have read the passage. Step 2. Students, when you are finished reading the passage, you will create a coat of arms to display young Arthur and what he represented. There are specific directions on slide 4. You need to follow the directions on slide 4. Okay, so I'll get to those in a second in a different video. You will then create your coat of arms on slide 5 using the directions on slide 4. Again, I'll get to that in a second. Step 4, a rubric is also included on slide 6 to show you how you will be graded. Please be sure to use your rubric as a checklist in order to include all required components of the coat of arms. Please be sure to review the coat of arms example on slide 7 for more assistance. And then finally, we have some supplemental material right here. You can click on this link right here in order to view a presentation about young Arthur. So you just click on the link and then this presentation will pop up. You can just click through it and notice that it's going through the slides. If I click, the slide number changes, or you can just click through here. So that is up to you if you would like to go ahead and click through that. Okay, so those are your specific directions, your step-by-step directions that you need to make sure that you follow for slide 3, slide 4, 5, and 6. Okay. Okay.